Hi, I want to teach you how to log on to SAP. First, let us Google Rowan Virtual Desktop. You can do this on Google, and then there are many links. The first one, Virtual Desktop and Applications. Click on it, and then you have this page. It says Virtual Desktops and Applications. Getting started on your right, and log in to access rowan.edu. So I'm going to click on it. Here I'm going to log on using my Rowan credential. So it says if you have Citrix installed, then you can use Detect Receiver. I'm going to use the just light version because at this point I don't have Citrix installed in my computer. And then it says Academic Virtual Desktop. That's the one that I want to use. And it's now Virtual Desktop is running. And I am on there. And I logged on before. So let me... I'm going to choose Auto Fit Screen. The first option that I have. That's what I'm going to be using. But I'm going to close this out and show you. If you log on, you're going to see this kind of first screen. It's just like a computer desktop. And go to here, the menu application button, and then you can go to SAP log on, right? So you scroll down, then you have SAP front end, and then there are several options. I'm gonna click on SAP log on. That's the first option that you have. Another option is just use this command bar. Here you can type SAP, then several options show up. And the first one, SAP log on, is the one that we are going to do. Okay, so SAP log on is right here. And for this exercise, we are going to use a new server called GLACIAL, this one. So the system name is GLACIAL. If you want to increase it, so you can see GLACIAL, and you can double click on it, and it will open up. And here's the logon page, and the client number that I gave you is available on Rowan Canvas, and there look at the information. But if I just do it myself, for an example, it's 328. So I'm going to go here. Client number is 328, and I'm going to GBX-56 is my ID. And the first one, the password that I gave you is row1 pass. Initial password is row1 pass, and it's case sensitive. R is uppercase, PAS is uppercase. So I'm gonna type. So it's confusing because the dots are already filled into this box, so it can be confusing. But just type row1 pass, and I'm gonna log on, and I should be good. Oh, so let me try again. 328 row1 pass, and GBX-56 328 GBX-56 and row1 pass. Okay, so now I typed all the information correct, and the initial password was entered, and now I am prompted to make a new password and repeat password. Here, please be careful to put a simple, easy to remember password and write it down on your note and also on your cell phone and email to yourself, because it's quite complicated to be locked out of this system and change password later. It will take you lots of time to do that. And I'm not so sure if I have the authority to reset your password. So it's important for you to use your password, straightforward password, and write it down, and so that you may not be locked out of this system. If you fail to enter the correct password 3 times, you're going to be locked out. So be careful. So I'm going to use a very simple one for myself. And here I am. I logged on and I'm in now, right? So this is very good. And this is the initial page, favorite and user menu for GBX56. That's mine. And I want you to go to more. And if you go to SAP GUI settings and actions, I think it was under menu. Let's go to menu. Yeah, so on the menu, user menu and SAP menu, I want you to click on SAP menu. Then now it prompted all the SAP menu that you can use. And from this on, you can follow the instruction that I prepared for you. So for example, for creating the first product, you can go to logistics and production and go to master data, and then you go to material master, then material, and then create special, and I'm going to create finished product. So double click on it, and here you are going to create the first product, say RFRT 56. That's my ID. So actually RFRT 1000-56. That's the first product that I need to create, and you can follow the guideline that I gave you, instruction that I gave you, and or YouTube video that I created for you. So that will be helpful for you. Okay, I'm hoping that this instruction is helpful for your understanding of how to log on to SAP. Thank you.